we are back with another video. So guys, today we have with us the Portronics wireless Bluetooth speaker. So now let's unbox it and have a first look. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to Omitech Vlogs, go subscribe now and hit the bell icon for further updates. Now let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and as you can see here we have the box of the Portronics Dynamo Bluetooth wireless speaker. And as you can see here are some features like truly wireless function, 5 watt of output we have in ear, and here's the dynamic play time is around 10 to 12 hours, which is a great thing. At the back also we have some features. Let's focus. So as you can see here we have the latest Bluetooth 5.0 functionality. After that, as I said, 10 to 12 hours of playtime, truly wireless function, inbuilt mic, and clear bass sound. In this speaker we'll check out the how's the bass. And after that, here is we have high quality battery, which is of 2000 mAh battery in such a small speaker. That would be a great thing. Now let's check out. Here's the pricing. As you can see, it's written 1999, but in the various sales on Amazon, you can buy it from 999, or between it fluctuates the price around 1000 to 1500. Now let's unbox it. I have removed the seal before only because I was excited, as you can see, and the box comes out. Here's the flap. Okay, and here as you can see here we have a speaker. Now let's remove it this from the plastic. We have to remove it, and yes, let's see how is it. Wow, this red color just looks amazing. And at the top, as you can see here, we have the power on off or mode button. Here's the inbuilt microphone. Here's the minus plus, which is for volume up and down, and even for changing the track. After this we have the play pause button, and here we have, I think it's a slot for the strap speaker. After that, as you can see, here's the Portronics branding, and this grill is of metal, and the body of the speaker is mostly plastic, good quality plastic. After that, and it weighs around 268 grams. Here also we have a flap. Let's open it. Yes, as you can see, here's the flap and it opens up, and here we have the micro USB for charging, and here we have a USB play, so we can just plug in a USB pen drive and we can play songs on it. After that, here it closes up. Though this speaker does not have any IP certification for waterproof or even water resistance, but this flap should be much better for protection. After that, here we have four stands for standing of the speaker, and at the left we don't have anything. Now let's power on, but before that let's clear this mess. Yes, now let's have a look. Now let's power on the speaker. I hope it have some juice.
Power on.
Yes, as you can see, it also
Bluetooth
gives
mode.
audio commands like power on and Bluetooth mode. And yes, actually it's not an inbuilt mic. Here we have a small LED light for function mode. As you can see, it's now blinking. Now let me connect this speaker to my smartphone. Here I have my smartphone, which I have turned on the Bluetooth functionality. And as you can see here we have Dynamo written. The speaker name is already Dynamo. Now let's connect.
Device paired.
And as you can see here also we can see the battery percentage remaining, and we can even attend calls and listen to audio as well. Now as you can see, it just gave a paired command. Now let's hear some songs. Put on your headphones and listen the audio quality of the Portronics Dynamo. Now let's play some music on YouTube. Now non-copyright sounds, and as you can see here we have, now let's play something. The speaker is quite loud.
Hold me
and even clear.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
And guys, as you can see, now let me increase some volume. And in just half of the volume, it's quite loud. So guys, as you can see, it's quite loud, and even the bass is very clear, and even the vocals are clear enough to hear. It just not distorts even on the high volume. So guys, now let's listen some bass heavy songs. Even on the high notes, it doesn't distort at all. So guys, as you know, this Bluetooth speaker also function an FM radio functionality. If you press this play pause button, which is also a mode button, for 2 to 3 seconds, then it will change into FM radio.
A few moments later.
Sorry guys, I am also new with the speaker. Actually, for 2 to 3 seconds, if you press the power button, it will turn off the speaker. If you have to just click once to change the mode from Bluetooth to FM radio. FM radio mode. So guys, as you can see, I have already set up some channels. So here we have. I won't play much because it would give me some copyright issues. So as you can see, we can, for setting the channels, you can press this plus button, which is also forward button. It will automatically search the channels on radio as per your location. After that, as I have shown you, here is a micro USB port for charging the speaker, and here's a music play on USB pen drive. You can just plug in a USB and seamlessly you can stream a music on this on your pen drive, which would be there. After that, as you know, here we have the 2000 mAh battery in this Portronics Dynamo Bluetooth wireless speaker, which will last you around 10 to 12 hours. So you don't have to worry again and again to charge this speaker. So guys, that is much. Wait a second. We didn't see the strap. Let's check out the box. Oh guys, here we missed out on one of the box, which would be some accessories. Now let's see. Yes, here is the here's the USB micro USB to USB for charging cable, which is the charging cable of this device. And here we have some paperwork. And yes, here as you can see, here's the strap for the speaker, which will plug it inside. And here we have the paperwork like Portronics Dynamo. If you want, you can read it by pausing the video. After that, now let's see how does it look. And the good thing is we have a red color strap on a red color speaker. That's so cool, right? Now let's put it inside and have a look. So guys, here is the strap. Here is a small thread like strap. You have to, it's very not that hard, but we have to keep on pushing it inside, and it will come out from this side, as you can see. And yes, once it comes out from this side, just put it through this and just keep it straight and pull it like this, and yes, you're good to go. As you can see, here is the strap done, and now you can take it anywhere, up Bluetooth Portronics speaker, and it would be all safe. You can hang it around. Okay, now So guys, that's it of the video of the Portronics Dynamo Bluetooth wireless speaker. And this speaker is really amazing. Like, it has great bass and it's loud and clear. Even the vocals are very clear. You can hear it very clearly. And even it has the FM radio functionality and even the USB pen drive play, and it's quite good. Even it's compact in size, you can keep it inside your bag, and it's very travel friendly. So guys, that's it of the video. Please like, share and comment down below how was the video, and do hit the like button and even the subscribe button and also the bell icon for further updates. Now thank you and see you in my next video.